You've got a new client, a new customer. Let's add them into Vacation Creations. Again, you can click here on the module, or you can go to the icon and click the plus sign. So we'll put in their first name. We've got Christoph, and nickname, he goes by Chris. Get their email in there. That way they get all your marketing emails or auto emails that go out. Cell phone, home phone, work phone. You can click here and choose a different country if you need to. Birth dates can go in, gender, anniversary dates, special notes. Those might be things like maybe they're My Disney Experience, maybe they have something that's particular to their family that you want to see across all the reservations would go here. Address. Christoph has moved to New York City. And then it will pull up when you start to type there. And then you can choose country if you want. Don't forget to hit save. Then you can go in here and you can add family members. By hitting the plus sign, you can add that family member in. Let's add Anna. I actually copied the possible last name for Anna. And then her relation would be here. Let's see, girlfriend. You can put in gender. Again, phones, you can add special notes. Perhaps there's allergies you want to show up across the reservations for a traveler or a client. You can put in a separate address here. Again, if you want to even add more information, a known traveler number, passport information, you can do that all here and then hit save. You can actually go back into that actual client's reservation, information here, and then also go in and add more information here if you want to do passport and stuff there. Then if there's any forms that your agency uses, you can have, they will be listed here. Perhaps you want to send a credit card authorization form outside of a reservation and just want to send it directly to the client here. Perhaps you have a client agreement form, a legal form that you want sent. That would likely show up here. This section is for the self-service invitation. You can actually send an invitation, an invite to the client, and they can fill out this information themselves. But remember, anything that you put in here, they would also see when they enter this and are filling out their information. Any payment cards that the clients fill out on a credit card authorization form will be stored here securely under the customer file. You can also add the card yourself by hitting the plus sign and filling this out and then hitting save. Here is where you will see all of their travel history, any leads you have for them, any upcoming travel, and any past travel that they've done will show up here on the list. This referred by section is a great place for you to track things. You can track if it was a customer referral from one of your other clients, a marketing method perhaps that you used, and that's how you got them as your client. Maybe an event that you did, you can utilize that for marketing purposes. Here under the general notes, you can also keep track of things about the family, certain requests that they've always had from you, maybe favorite things. You can take notes here. You can also add customer tags for marketing reasons. So perhaps this is a Disney traveler, empty nesters. When you do this, it will show up and you can have it filtered on your page that lists all your clients, and I will show you that in a minute. You can add attachments. Perhaps you want to add their passport information. You can do that here, and then you also can see the email history of any marketing emails that you have sent to this client. You can actually unsubscribe them here if they've requested that, or if they unsubscribe from the bottom of any of your marketing campaigns, it would show up here that they chose to do that. Again, don't forget to hit save. When you go back to the customer list and you want to filter by the tag, if you do put in that Disney traveler and hit refresh, you will see here that Christoph is showing up because you tagged him as a Disney traveler.